Oh, here's a cute story. Scientists have discovered a species of carnivorous bone collector caterpillars that wear corpses as camouflage. Okay, sounds unusual, but there is an evolutionary reason they do this. They are sick bastards. Apparently, the bone collectors build a disguise from insect cadavers and occasionally engage in cannibalism. Wow. Neat. Though, that might change some children's books. Okay, honey, get all cozy. It's time to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar, who builds a disguise from insect cadavers and occasionally engages in cannibalism. You know, or Goodnight Moon, either one.